Yo, this is your boy LP with Lorenzo P Photography. I have an awesome BTS tutorial for you guys. Excited by the little action that you just saw? Well, I'm going to show you how to achieve this really cool effect. You're going to need a few items, and this can vary depending on what is accessible to you. Remember, nothing is definite and you can always improvise. Keep that in mind. You're going to need the following: a black muslin backdrop, plexiglass. I have a 32 by 44 inch sheet, a spray bottle, gels, 3 heavy duty A clamps, 3 strobes or speed lights, 2 7-inch reflectors, 1 beauty dish, small to medium octa, 4 light stands, a boom pole, and a fog machine. After setting up my backdrop, I moved along to the lighting. When you are all done with your ensemble, you should have a 3-point lighting setup that closely resembles what you guys see here in the image. 1 strobe, beauty, or octa attached will act as the main light, and this should be positioned slightly off to the front left or front right of your subject depending on the configuration of your subject. The main light should be powered so that it provides the majority of the light, serving 2 purposes. This will illuminate not only the subject, but it will also provide light to the water drops. This is why it is important to position your main light slightly off to the left or to the right, giving the water droplets a sense of dimensionality and direction. This will also help at eliminating the main light source reflection onto the plexiglass. As for the 2 remaining strobes, these should be gelled and positioned behind your subject, one slightly off to the left and the other slightly off to the right. The gel strobes will not only act as a rim light, separating your subject from the background, it will also add some creative flair to your image. When it comes to mounting the plexiglass, I am using 3 heavy-duty A clamps, an Avenger C stand with a 40-inch boom pole, and this is weighed down by 2 20-pound sandbags. It is very important that I had sandbags to weigh down the Avenger C stand because I didn't want anything crashing to the floor or onto my model. The plexiglass has some weight to it, so please make sure that it is secure. After it is raised to the desired height, it is now time for the fun stuff. When you spray the plexiglass, be sure to vary the spray. Use both the stream and haze flow of the spray bottle. I should add, before spraying the plexiglass, be sure to put a towel down on the floor if you want to avoid getting your floor wet. Note, wear black attire and shut off all ambient light to reduce any type of glare reflection onto the plexiglass. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed my water drop tutorial. It's pretty simple, trust me. It seems like it's difficult, but it really isn't. All it is a matter of gathering all the items and just following directions. If you guys can do that, I can promise you that you will have no problem achieving this look. It's really cool, it's awesome, and I'm pretty sure that you'll have fun with it. Be sure to visit my blog to see more of the images from the shoot. Thanks for watching. As always, peace people. This is your boy LP closing out with Lorenzo P Photography.